This is our jojoba gel mask, a beautiful, nourishing mask to extend moisture in the skin and really lock the moisture into the skin as well. Key ingredients, of course, our beautiful Australian wadi jojoba with vitamins A, D and E to nourish and heal the skin, powerful antioxidant, and also omegas 6 and 9 fatty acids to nourish and give a beautiful well-being to the skin, almost like food for the skin. Another ingredient is JD Lustrous. It's a natural alternative to silicone and it's biodegradable, so that locks in the protective barrier for the mask. How to use the mask? It's very lightweight, but it packs a punch. Apply on a clean skin. I like to use it at night. So cleanse and tone your skin, apply all over the face. Just avoid the lip area and perhaps put your eye cream on first, all over the face. And of course, very much a concentration around the little crow's feet. I like to leave it on between 10 and 20 minutes. The longer you leave it on, the longer you're going to get the absorption, but just 10 or 20 minutes. Then you can either tissue off and go to sleep, leave it on overnight, or you can remove with a warm cloth and then apply your night cream. So there's a couple of different ways that you can use it. You could also add in some of our Ultimate Youth Potion for an extra extension of moisture. Use 2 to 3 times per week, and it's great for all skin types.